Thank you. Now to the Forex market. The Aussie US dollar made new all-time highs today against USD by breaking above the 1.0410 level. With 1.0500 in sight, many traders are expecting the market to eventually push this pair upwards, should the demand for commodities remain strong. However, here are some fundamental issues with AUD, primarily with China's plan to control inflation, which will affect Australia's mining demand as China is Australia's largest trading partner. Second, Japan is Australia's largest customer for coal. With recent flood and cyclone disasters affect coal production, and the earthquake affecting demand, the outlook for recovery in Australia is bleak at best. Overall, I believe currency AUD rate is not only overvalued, but seriously nuts. However, I do know that the market could remain in this illogical state until your account gets wiped out, so I would be very careful at selling AUD at this level, but don't get me wrong, I would not recommend any buying for the pair as a strong correction is coming. This is no longer a matter of if, but when.